In this video, we'll set up a drop-down list in Google Sheets that lets you pick multiple options in one cell. This is handy for tracking things like multiple product categories or tags for each entry. First, select the range of cells where you want the drop-down to appear, here from D2 down to D16. With that range highlighted, go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Drop-down. A panel opens on the right, and it automatically lists the unique values from your selected cells as drop-down options. You can customize each option's chip color by clicking the color circle next to it and picking a shade from the palette. If you need to add more choices, click Add Another Item and type in the new value. Now, scroll down in the panel and check the box for Allow Multiple Selections. This is the key setting that lets you pick more than one option in a single cell. If you like, you can also enable help text for the selected cell or choose to reject invalid input. Once you're happy with the settings, click Done to save the rule. The panel now shows the rule is applied to your range, and you can close it. Now each cell in that column has a drop-down arrow, and you can select multiple items that appear as chips. That's how you create a multi-select drop-down in Google Sheets. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more tips.